Hello, welcome to our 12th lesson. In this lesson, we will learn the revolved cut and section view commands. First, I start by opening a sketch on the front plane and drawing a square. Using the extruded base command, we turn this sketch into a cube. Now, we will create a hollow inside the cube. I open a new sketch on the front plane. After completing the closed sketch, I click on the revolved cut command and select the axis line. The hollow is formed around this line based. To check if the hollow is correct, we use the section view command to inspect the inside. I click on section view and split the model in half. To get a better look at the cut plane, I adjust the view as needed. By selecting the top or right plane from the side panel, I can change my angle to see inside the model. Once I'm done, clicking the command again will return the model to its original view. See you in the next lesson.